With COVID-19 cases spiking across the state, more cities here in Central Ohio are rolling out their own safety measures. Thank you on this Monday for staying with us. First at 4, I'm Darlene Hill. Brad is off this evening. Just last Friday, Columbus launched a mandatory mask requirement for most public places right here in the city, and now Dublin is joining them. NBC4's Katherine Ross has more on what some people out in the heat and out on the streets have to say about this one.
Wearing a mask like this will be the new normal if you're walking through Dublin. A lot of the people we talked to in the first few hours of this order say they still plan on practicing social distancing, but they're not opposed to having a requirement. It's been a steadfast rule since North High Brewing recently reopened its doors.
You got to wear a mask as soon as you walk through the door. All of our servers, everybody wears masks the whole time.
And outside of work, Adam Bolin says he always wears his in public.
For my safety and other people's safety. Just makes sense.
Others hope covering their face can help the state recover.
Stop the spread, get back to normal. I'm a healthcare worker. I'm all about the mask.
Preserving safety and protecting the economy are some of the reasons why the Dublin city manager issued an executive order requiring masks. The mandate says almost everyone needs to cover their face in indoor public spaces and outdoors when social distancing is difficult, including at sporting events. Some are critical of a government requirement. Others think it's necessary.
Whatever needs to be done, needs to be done. It needs to be controlled.
The order does include several exceptions, such as someone with a disability or someone suffering from a medical condition, children under 6 years old, when you're doing strenuous exercise, if you're eating or drinking, or if your religion prohibits face coverings. Even on a hot day, some say the discomfort of covering your face is a small sacrifice to make.
Hope everybody gets on the same page so we can maybe get past this quicker.
Now, the city says if you're not wearing a mask, their first priority will be education. But technically, disobeying the order is a third-degree misdemeanor. Local for you in Dublin, Katherine Ross, NBC4.
All right, Katherine, thank you. Westerville says they're taking a middle ground approach when it comes to masks. An executive order that goes into effect Wednesday morning will empower businesses and property owners to charge anyone not wearing a mask with trespassing. Exceptions there include children under the age of 8 years old, those with medical conditions or receiving medical services, and those seated at restaurants and bars. The order there will be in effect for 90 days.